सलाम नमस्कार और सत श्री अकाल. हाँ भाई क्या चल रहा है? The problem was I missed a very big event of Diwali, so that's why I tried to bharpai of my absence of Diwali. Because of the Halloween I missed that event, so that's why I am trying today. It's a big event, so I was just wondering that maybe I can cover this occasion or not. It's alright. काफ़ी लोग अब इसलिए कि वो ज़्यादा पता इसलिए नहीं चल रहा है कि लोग scattered हैं इधर उधर. What is going on up here?
Of course, this is a cricket festival. For the first time we are holding a cricket festival for the youth in Austin, and it's being supported by our wonderful mayor, Cedar Park City. The Consulate General of India is also coming in, so that's going to be phenomenal. And what we are additionally celebrating via cricket is Azadi ka Amrut Mahutsave. You know it all.
Exactly.
No better way than cricket to do that, right?
Thank you. What's your name?
I'm Gulshan.
All right, good.
Hey, it's really good. Alok is doing a great job, and this is a good family get together. Definitely, the kids are enjoying a lot. For
Yeah,
sure.
I can see that. अभी आपके छक्के की ज़रूरत है यार.
वो हमारी टीम से खेलता है.
अच्छा.
मैच में नहीं मारेगा.
अच्छा.
इधर मार रहा है. नॉर्मली वो ऑफ पे खेलता है. ये हमारे कैप्टन है.
What's your name, my friend?
निशीत.
विकेट खेल के अभी खेल के आए हो?
हाँ खेल रहे हैं वाला गेम.
अच्छा.
Brian Walters.
ब्रायन वॉल्टर लोग आए जा रहे हैं और बहुत इधर लुक लाइक मस्ती होने वाली. What's your name, please?
Rohini. Cricket through this channel, that's really good.
That's nice.
And even especially ladies, because we don't get to see a lot of ladies playing cricket.
All right.
Some of us here, they're really good players.
And getting this opportunity in Austin is awesome. Yeah.
देख रहे हो भाई लोगों यहाँ पर क्या चल रहा है. ऐसा लग रहा है मेला लगा हुआ है. गर्ल्स बॉयज men women everybody is here. Mr. Walter with the witness, I mean not a witness box, it's a commentary box.
So apparently the game itself is finished, but they're treating the rest of it as a practice session.
अपना मैच ख़त्म करके वो लोग अभी भाई लोग चले आ रहे हैं अपना मैच ख़त्म करके. क्या बनाया मैच में आपने?
हमने
हाँ
पता नहीं 15-20 शायद.
15-20 शायद.
कैप्टन की बॉल पे तो चौका
हम लोग सारे मस्ती कर रहे हैं. इधर देखो मस्ती चल रही है.
रिकॉर्ड कर रहे हैं, देख तो भैया.
नहीं ये सब जाएगा मस्ती में.
अरे इनका सुप्रीम फॉर्म चल रहा है भाई. लगी फॉर्म में वाइन जैसे हैं. इसके साथ बेटर हो रहे हैं.
पुरानी वाइन है.
क्या मैन ऑफ द मैच है तू?
हार गए कैसा मैंने बाउंड्रीज दे दिए कीपर ने.
सुना
वो जो उस दिन सुनाया था वो वाला सुना.
हाँ सुना
जो उस दिन सुनाया था.
We are going to start the women's match.
ये नेहा.
Team Mithali Raj and Team Smriti Mandana. Kajri Banerjee, Anshul Yadav, Rohini Reddy, Varsha Khetani, Suchitra Ramaswamy, Isha Goruguttu. Cassie won the toss and elected to do the bowling.
Mr. Corbin Van Arsdale, the mayor of Cedar Park. Congratulations and welcome. I'm going to use my deductive reasoning to guess that you are Heather. Am I right? Heather Jeffs, Mayor Pro Tem of Cedar Park. Welcome. And Harish Kotecha. Harish, great to meet you. You're the founder of EC4A. Welcome to all of our special guests. And I also happen to be joined by somebody who apparently is following me all around the country. Mr. Unmuk Chan, who a few weeks ago played a blinder. I don't know how many of you watched that final or the match between between Austin and Silicon Valley. This young man scored 132 runs not out to take his team single-handedly through to the finals, and they won the entire minor league championship. Welcome to Austin. Good seeing you. I've had many positions. My new role is now on the development committee. And development, in my mind, is the most important piece. The kids playing, and more specifically, non-Asian and non-West Indian kids playing. We want kids who were born in Cedar Park or kids who were born in Austin to be who's playing cricket.
नाइस शॉट। वेदर इतना अच्छा हो रहा है कि बहुत ज़बरदस्त वेदर है। हेलो, हाउ यू डूइंग? अच्छे वेदर की वजह से और भी ज़्यादा मज़ा आ रहा है। इट्स ब्यूटीफुल वेदर, राइट? ब्यूटीफुल एटमॉस्फेयर, लॉट ऑफ पीपल। सूरज भाई भी चले जा रहे हैं, अब अंधेरा होने वाला है थोड़ी देर में। मैच खेलने के लिए कहाँ गए?
मैच खेलने के लिए यूके गया था, खेलने के लिए नहीं, देखने के लिए। I mean, rest they should give me a option. You mean the Indo-Pak one, 2019? Not Indo-Pak, but I got hands on India, Bangladesh. अच्छा, because Tushar went to the Indo-Pak one in 2019. Yeah, I didn't get the tickets. Oh my God.
अभी ये शाम पड़ रही है, जैसे जैसे शाम पड़ रही है वैसे वैसे जो है वो अब जोश और खरोश कम होता जा रहा है। तो अब देखते हैं कि आगे चल के क्या होता है। मगर ये कि चूँकि पता है कि क्रिकेट के दीवाने हैं सारे लोग, एवरीबॉडी लव क्रिकेट, सो दैट्स व्हाई पीपल केम हियर टू वॉच क्रिकेट।
It's a cricket festival, so it's open to all the public here. Please feel free to join us. So how's it been so far? Awesome. So that's the enthusiasm of cricket. This is the power of cricket, and people talk about the soft power of cricket worldwide. And no wonder why it is the second most popular game in the world. Many people get surprised, but a special dear friend of ours, rather the entire cricket community in the country. So thank you, Mr. Kotecha, to be with us. The leadership representation from City Council. First of all, we have Heather here, who has been a great support. We have spent very little time together in last 1 or 2 weeks itself. Mayor, our leader for the city, Mr. Corbin Van Asbel, and he has been a great support. First via email, then we had a chat, and when he came on the ground, looked like a cricketer is walking onto the cricket ground. So thank you very much for being with us. No matter which part of the country we come from, which community we belong to, cricket unites all of us. So Mr. Asim Mahajan, who is the Consul General of India in Houston, agreed to be part of this event. And he traveled to this city. I don't know, it may be your first trip to Cedar Park, or maybe in the past. We met some time ago, but that was the other side of the town. This is Cedar Park, Asim, and so thank you very much for being with us. And of course, his team is here with us, and we are really thankful to their support, how we have come along on this cricket festival. Many of you already know, and some of you don't know, Unmuk actually has won all the tournaments for his team, whichever team he played for. Even last night, and I was tracking because I had to make sure that the game gets over, doesn't move to the next day, so he can travel here and be with us. So thankfully everything got over because he played a match-winning knock for his team. Team won the tournament, had a great time with his team, and then this morning he traveled to Austin. He's here with us. So thank you for all your time and all those.
Thank you all for being here on this lovely evening, World Cricket Festival. I'd like to thank the esteemed Mr. Asim Mahajan, Consul General of India, former World Cup cricket captain Umruk Chand, HC4A founder Harish Kotecha, and cricket tournament organizer Alok Singh for inviting me to be part of this momentous occasion, November 7th, 2021. And whereas this event will also bring broader communities together and introduce new sports options to play. And whereas the city welcomes distinguished guests, Asim Mahajan, Consul General of India in Houston, Unmuk Chand, captain of the 2012 World Cup winning India U19 team, and Harish Kotecha, founder and president of EC4A, to the Cedar Park community. Now therefore I, Heather Jeffs, on behalf of Corbin Van Arsdale, the mayor of the city of Cedar Park, and on behalf of the entire city council, I do hereby recognize November 7th, 2021 Cricket Festival. Proclaim this day, this 7th day of November, 2021.
evening. It's fantastic. I was watching all the kids' eyes and they were announcing your name and watching them look at you. You know, so you're inspiring to all these kids, and that's what we need to do. We need to get more kids here in America that have already been here interested in cricket. And I remember when I was a kid, I came up playing baseball and football and basketball and soccer. And Texas, as y'all know, is becoming a real melting pot of people. And Cedar Park is a real melting pot of people. And once we get people that play the game here and play the matches, and we have the facilities and the equipment, American kids will enjoy playing cricket. So we got to get exposure. We're putting in 16 baseball fields. There's a company called The Perfect Game coming here. The voters have approved, and the city council has approved, putting in a very nice park called Lakeline Park. It's a multi-million-dollar park. There are going to be phases of that park that will have facilities, and maybe there's a way to put in some fields that are for cricket, so you can play cricket. We need you guys to be involved. We need you to be contacting your city council when the time's right.
The mission, of course, here was to come and celebrate this cricket festival with you. As the oldest democracy and the largest democracy, India and United States, with our shared cultures, our common values, we are natural partners, and Texas now has the second largest Indian American community, and it is growing very rapidly. The cities of Austin, Dallas and Houston, they continue to attract a lot of people, and Mayor, you are aware how Austin is attracting so many companies. People are moving here. So I'm sure, as you mentioned, it's a melting pot. Cricket will add to the diversity and vibrance of this city. I take this opportunity to wish all of you a happy Diwali and a festive season. We have had a series of events, and as many of you mentioned, they are going for the last couple of days, and this is a festival when we wish each other joy, peace, good health and prosperity. Cricket, of course, is also one such theme where both the countries, I think, as was mentioned earlier, promoting cricket here is also a symbol of the deepening friendship bonds together. So I know all of you are waiting for the game, but I really want to thank you for organizing this, and stay connected with the consulate. We look forward to doing many more activities.
Then Anshu. Please come over. Okay. Abhihan.
क्रिकेट का एक जोश और जज्बा तो है ना. थैंक यू. सीडर पार्क के स्पोर्ट्स पार्क से विदा करना चाहता हूँ. जिसने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब किया है उसको हार्दिक थैंक यू, और जिसने नहीं किया है कर लेना, कोई आफत ना आ रही. ओके, मिलते हैं ब्रेक के बाद. बाय बाय.